Welcome to Codifix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video, we have shared how UnboundLocalError, local variable name referenced before assignment. This error occurs when you try to reference a variable before it has been assigned a value within the current scope. Here's an example. When you run this code, this type of error find. When you call example function, you'll get an UnboundLocalError because my variable is referenced before it is assigned a value. To fix this, you need to assign a value to my variable before trying to reference it.
Let's run this code.
In this corrected example, my variable is assigned a value before it is printed, so the error will not occur. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel.